What's up, everybody? Alex O Crypto Gang. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Shout out to all of you. We got the lucky Bulbasaur. Yeah, that's a Bulbasaur. Anyways, how are we all doing? I was just about to make a video and then I just saw the orange candles shooting to the sky. I actually just pulled my fixed range volume. And guess what? We're pumping already. And we have news coming. We have the Fed interest rate coming up. Look at this. We told you, we talked about this, the friggin' elevator that we've been talking about. You know, Jerome, he's out here. He's at the hub. He's got the... Anyways, keep it PG. We're trying to make Otters great again. And we have liftoff. Holy smokes. I'm in an Ethereum trade. Right from the wick down. I will show you how I got into this. 1254.75. I think I was off by 30 cents. And this is my Otter happy face. I'm happy to see you. I'm glad you're happy to see me. And if you're not, that's okay anyways, because we're out here. We're securing the bags. We're taking profits early. We're coming with a positive mindset. And look at these charts. How beautiful are these charts, okay? Yes, we've been bored, crabbing sideways. We've had a pump down. Now we are getting a shoot up to the sky to set up for this interest rate. And who knows what's coming next, but let's try to wrap our heads around this, right? Let's wrap our heads around this. Well, 75 basis points is supposed to be what's coming. But we have been notified earlier last week that we're going to get a 0.5, which is positive. Even though 0.5 interest rate hike is not positive, it will be positive considering we've been getting higher rates up so far. So this is where we're at. We are at the volume area high of this local range that we have been trading for absolutely ever since November 22nd-ish, right? No, November 8th. Sorry, I'm reading the year. Oh my God. Anyways, it's late. It's 9 o'clock at night, which is late for me. But let's take a look at this. So we got all our levels marked out. And you know what? Prepare for the worst. We could be heading down, but we've been calling the pump for 2 weeks now. We've been calling the pump. So where are we going? Well, we've had this extreme pump up. We were looking at this all day today. At work, it dumped down on us. I missed this trade. It was mid-afternoon. I was driving my truck around to the next job site, and it was just like, bye. Sorry. And this all happened so quickly that I wasn't able to jump in this trade, and I didn't want to FOMO in halfway through, right? We broke this level of resistance down here that we can see, this beautiful level of resistance, right? And bingo bango, what can you do about it? You can control Z, you can forget about it. Control Z, the trades that you thought you were going to make, and there's always going to be more trades for us to make that have come up. So, did I get in down here? Well, no, I didn't. But we can take a look here. What gave us these signals today? What's going to give us signals to continue to get into these markets? And how can we extract some beautiful profits from these markets? Now I'm trying to go to my 12-minute and we'll take a deeper look because we love the 12-minute on this channel. Well, we had the beautiful wick up right here. It brought us down. We got the beautiful bullish divergence. If you can see here, we got a higher high making a higher low. This is what caught us. See this beautiful, beautiful divergences. And if there isn't anything I would suggest, my only suggestion is go and learn your divergences, ladies and gentlemen, because Otter Gang is all over these, and it brought us back up. Now, this would have been the ideal place to re-enter for a long position. Did I get in there? No, I did not, right? So today, what happened? We continued. I got up right when this pump was happening, right? This is 7:47 a.m. I got up at around 5, so I could have caught this, but I was too busy talking to all my friends on the Discord, talking to all you guys out there. Shout out to all of you, sending my love and appreciation because you guys helped me along the way. let me throw it a heart towards you guys. You know what? I'm liking you for enjoying my video. Please smash the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. I know so many of you out there are Otter Gang fam, and I appreciate every single one of you. While I was getting up chatting to you guys, replying to your comments in the comment section below, because I always make sure to reply to you individually every morning, and I try my best to get back to you. And we pumped up, and then we ranged again. We were doing the same range back here as we were here, but guess what? We got the interest rate coming in. So now what am I looking for? Well, I'm going to pull a fib, right? I'll pull a fib from down here up to here, because we like to pull the fib from where the trend stops. See? Boom, it came up exhausted, right? Exhaustion right there. So I'm going to pull my fib from the low from this one to get where this could drop down to. See? Exhaustion comes down. So this is my low. I'm going to pull it from here. Bingo, bango. Look at that, right? Look at that. Well, I showed you earlier that I am in an Ethereum trade because I was in a short from somewhere around here. I took profits here and got stopped out when we came back up. Okay, that's where I was at. But my Ethereum trade, if we switch over to Ethereum, I pulled a simple fibs. A simple fibs. From the swing low to the swing high. And I got this right here. And guess what? 55475. Look how close that was. Come on. You can't do it any better than that, friends. Right? Now we've had an extreme pump to the upside. I'm up 100%. I did a 60x leverage trade. I don't suggest leverage trading if you're new. If you're new, keep the leverage down and practice the fundamentals before you get into leverage trading, because you're going to go in with a beautiful, position, right? And your stop loss is going to be like this, right? Unless you get that beautiful entry like here, you're going to get stopped out, right? Look how easy it is to get stopped out. Less leverage. You can extend this up to the previous highs, right? And hopefully make the profits on the way down. We want to have good risk to reward trades, but we also want to work on getting those entries, right? A little bit of courage, a little bit of limit orders. Don't suggest market orders because they do tend to cost more depending on what exchange you're using. But where are we now? Where are we going? That's the big question, is where are we going? Where are we going? Let's make otters great again, right? Jerome, what are you going to give us? Okay, we don't want anything to do with that, but where are we going to go? Well, we have some levels above us, right? This is BT. This is Ethereum. We have some levels above us. We've punched through this value area high. We have this marked out from previous highs back here. So if we can get above this 17.5 area, which I believe we will, right? Well, look what we're looking at. We're aiming for the 18s, my friends. 18s. We got a big volume area gap up here that we're going to blast off like spacemen, okay? This is going to be wild if we get through this. So let's go to the VRVP. Let's go to the 45. So we can still be pretty specific. Pacific. Wherever you are. What time zone? Pacific. Okay, so we got this huge area. Can we get back up and flip this to support? Right? That is the question. There will be two trades here. There will be the one here or the one here. And will we go back down or will we continue up? Right? That is the question. The question is, will we do that? Right? So from there, what are we looking to do? We are looking to get into a long, hopefully to ride this up, or we're looking to get into a short, right? We will have maximum volatility guaranteed. Guaranteed. It has happened in the past. It has proven to be true. The history rhymes, right? The history rhymes. So we got to be ready. We got to have a clear mind. Maybe take a little coffee break before the interest rate comes in. Reset. Come to the charts and be fresh, right? Be fresh and be in a stable area and watch that FOMO trade, my friends. Watch that FOMO trade, right? And try not to get liquidated, because you know what? As positive and hopeful as we are, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying that we're guaranteed to pump up to the moon here. I've been anticipating that we will because of the news about a 0.5 basic hike. But this is not financial advice, so we have to be prepared. Either way, we're making money if the market goes up or down. We're the Otter Gang. We're all here to support each other. I love you all. So if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. We got videos daily, market updates, what we think is going to happen. Right now, we are looking for maybe a swing failure down and then back up to the moon, right? Because we could flip this into support, which we've come up, and now we're way up here. So we can flip this value area high into support, right? Because we do have some wicks up here, and we can work our way up. Remember, there's not much stopping us here. There's not much stopping us. So unless we continue back down and then back up when we get the news, who knows, right? Or we could get very, 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 very bearish news. Bearish news. And it could dump us, right? Because we haven't come back down to this point of control in quite a while. So I don't want to be dark, and I don't want to be negative. But it's been since November. We've been above the point of control since November, since we had this vicious pump upwards, right? So be aware. Economiccalendar.com. Google it, look it up. It'll give you when, the exact time. It'll load for you as it's getting printed, and then boom, you'll have the news, whether it's positive or negative, right? It's positive if it's less. Remember, it's positive if it's less than what they predicted, right? If it's 0.75, then that's break even, right? If it's 0.5, then that's better news. That's positive news. And if it's higher than that, well, get out your winter coats, because that's bearish, right? And we're in a Canadian winter. So these are my thoughts. These are my ideas. Go out there, be safe, get it done, kill it, because you guys are worthy and you guys are lovely. And thank you for all your support. I love you all. God bless. Stay safe. Get the levels. Put them in your chart. And trade carefully, my friends. Peace, my legends.